Hello and welcome to this video. Mr.net is here. This video is the last video of this tutorial. In the previous two videos I create this picture here with Blender, and we also create an animation to this picture. The animation are only 80 pictures, and in this video we are going to import these pictures into Unity and render this animation. The first thing what we have to do is we create a 2D project in Unity, and here inside our assets folder we create a new folder. I call this folder the resources folder, and inside this folder we insert all images. This takes some second time. After we import our 80 pictures into Unity, we can go into our scene view, and with drag and drop I insert each picture into the scene, and Unity opens our resource folder because we create now an animation, and I call this animation the background animation. I click save, and Unity creates our background 0001, which contains a transform, a sprite renderer and an animator. Now if I start the game, we see that the animation is running, and in our sprite renderer the component sprite are replaced with each image. The transform, which is a part of each component in the game scene, with this component we can change the position, we can rotate our sprite, we can scale our sprite. The sprite renderer color object allows us to define the background color of the sprite. We can also mirror the sprite. We have different draw modes. We can use sliced or tiled. If we use tiled, I can stretch this image and Unity creates new pixels from this image. If I use sliced, we are stretching this image. We don't have a mask interaction. We can define the sorting layer if we have more sprites, so we can define which sprite has the sorting layer position. And in our animator, if I double click the background 0001 animator to my background animation, we can define the speed of the animation. If I use here 10 and go to my game scene, we see the animation runs faster. Well, that's it. Hopefully you liked this video. Please give me some feedback, and if you know more ways to do that, please write this into the comments so I can do my next video based on the content or on the feedback what you give me. Bye.